How to set app-specific data limits on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can set app-specific data limits on Android. But before that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is you can set time specific app limits on data limits on Android by just using the data saver to restrict background data. Or you can also manually disable background data uses for individual apps in the settings. So first, let's head over to our settings. On settings, go to network and internet. After you're on your network and internet, you'll find data saver. Tap on that. Then simply enable this. After you enable that, now you're basically good. Now you have restricted or you have reduced your data uses, and now you can prevent apps from sending or receiving data in the background. So that's one way of doing it. Let's just turn it back off and head back. Now the second method is disabling mobile data for specific apps. For that, what you'll need to do is head over to settings, go to apps. On your apps, you can find the app that you want. So let's say Snapchat. Then after you here, head over to mobile data uses. From there, you'll find background data. Simply turn it off. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.